Have you ever walked into a home and instantly thought, wow, this place feels expensive? Most of the time, it's not because of a massive renovation. It's the details, the lighting, the automation, the clean, seamless upgrades. Today, I'm showing you 12 smart home upgrades that instantly elevate any space without tearing down walls or draining your bank account. Before we start, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss anything. Let's start. Let's upgrade your home the smart way. Expensive homes never rely on harsh overhead lights. They use layered lighting. Smart LED strips installed under cabinets, behind mirrors, or along ceilings create that soft architectural glow. You can adjust brightness, change color temperature, control it from your phone. It's one of the cheapest upgrades but visually one of the most powerful. Lighting should match your mood. With a smart dimmer switch, you can instantly adjust brightness for dinner, movie night, or work mode. No rewiring, no complicated setup, just clean, controlled ambience. Luxury homes are all about control. Opening a dark cabinet feels outdated. Motion sensor lights turn on automatically the moment you open the door. No switches, no fumbling. That seamless experience, that's what makes a home feel high-end. Traditional keys are becoming obsolete. A smart door lock allows fingerprint access, keypad entry, or app control. You can grant temporary access to guests. Track entries. Lock your door from anywhere. Security plus convenience equals modern luxury. Manual blinds feel like yesterday's technology. Smart blinds open automatically in the morning and close at sunset. They regulate sunlight, improve privacy, increase energy efficiency, and they make your home feel intelligent. This isn't just about comfort. A smart thermostat learns your routine, adjusts temperatures automatically, saves on energy bills. It's a subtle upgrade but one that makes your home feel professionally designed. Visible cables instantly ruin a clean interior. A hidden wireless charger installs under your desk or table. Place your phone down. It charges. No wires in sight. Minimalism done right. This is where design meets technology. A smart mirror displays time, weather, and even news updates while you get ready. Integrated lighting improves visibility. It transforms an ordinary bathroom into a futuristic space. Modern homes prioritize awareness. A video doorbell lets you see and speak to visitors from anywhere. Motion alerts keep you informed. It's subtle but adds both security and sophistication. You don't need to replace every appliance. A smart plug instantly upgrades lamps, fans, or coffee makers. Set schedules. Control remotely. Small device. Big impact. Bulky electronics disrupt clean interiors. Floating smart speakers blend technology with minimalist design. They look intentional, not cluttered. Sound meets style. Luxury is often about hygiene and convenience. Wave your hand. Water flows. Touchless faucets reduce mess and feel incredibly modern. It's a small upgrade but instantly noticeable. Here's the truth. You don't need a full renovation to elevate your space. Small, intentional upgrades make the biggest difference. All the products mentioned are linked below so you can explore what fits your home. If you enjoy smart, design-focused upgrades like this, make sure to subscribe. We build smarter here. See you in the next one.